Does this look familiar? In a world where we're constantly bombarded by information, obligations, and choices, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost, and exhausted. We often find ourselves spread too thin, trying to do everything and be everything to everyone. But what if there was another way? A way to cut through the noise, reduce the clutter, and focus on what truly matters. Welcome to a journey into essentialism, a philosophy that can transform your life by helping you focus on what truly matters. Essentialism isn't just a trendy concept. It's a profound approach to living that can bring clarity, purpose, and peace to your daily life. But how does it work? And how can it be integrated with the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and the practice of simple living? Essentialism is more than just decluttering your space or saying no to extra commitments. It's about aligning your life with your deepest values and making deliberate choices that lead to a more fulfilling and intentional existence. It's rooted in the wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of the rest. When combined with the principles of simple living, essentialism becomes a powerful tool for creating a life that's not only simpler but richer in meaning and joy. In this video, we'll explore how essentialism, Stoicism, and simple living intersect, and how you can apply these principles to your own life. Whether you're seeking to reduce stress, increase productivity, or find greater purpose, the power of less can guide you to a more intentional and fulfilling life. Let's start by understanding what essentialism really means. At its core, essentialism is the disciplined pursuit of less but better. It's a mindset and a lifestyle that encourages us to focus on the vital few and ignore the trivial many. In a culture that glorifies busyness and multitasking, essentialism offers a refreshing alternative: the intentional choice to focus on what's essential and eliminate the rest. Essentialism is about making deliberate choices. It's about asking yourself, what is truly important to me? And then having the courage to let go of everything else. This process isn't just about physical decluttering. It's about mental and emotional decluttering as well. By focusing on the essentials, you free up time, energy, and space for the things that really matter. Greg McKeown, the author of Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less, describes essentialism as a way to live a life of higher contribution and deeper satisfaction. But how do we determine what's essential? It starts with self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your core values and what truly brings you joy and fulfillment. These are the things that should take priority in your life. Once you've identified what's essential, the next step is to eliminate the non-essential. This isn't always easy, especially in a world that constantly demands more from us. But every time you say yes to something non-essential, you're saying no to something that truly matters. Essentialism is about making tough choices and setting boundaries, so you can protect your time and energy for the things that align with your values. Essentialism also involves designing your life in a way that supports your essential priorities. This means creating routines and systems that help you stay focused and productive. It's not about doing less for the sake of doing less. It's about doing less but better, focusing your efforts on the things that have the greatest impact and bring the most joy. By embracing essentialism, you'll find that your life becomes more aligned, more intentional, and more fulfilling. You'll experience less stress, greater clarity, and a deeper sense of purpose. And as we'll see, these benefits are closely connected to the principles of Stoicism and simple living. Essentialism and Stoicism share a deep connection, rooted in the idea of focusing on what truly matters. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens, teaches us that true happiness comes from within. It's not about acquiring more or doing more, but about cultivating inner peace and virtue. The Stoics believe that by focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't, we can live a life of purpose and tranquility. One of the key principles of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control, the idea that some things are within our control, while others are not. According to the Stoics, we should focus our energy on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, and accept the things we cannot change. This principle aligns perfectly with essentialism's focus on the vital few. By concentrating on what's essential, we can avoid being overwhelmed by the things that don't truly matter. Stoicism also teaches us the importance of living in accordance with nature, of aligning our lives with our true purpose and values. Essentialism takes this a step further by helping us apply this focus to every aspect of our lives. Whether it's our work, our relationships, or our possessions, essentialism encourages us to simplify, prioritize, and live with intention. By embracing Stoicism, we learn to let go of the non-essential, whether it's material possessions, unnecessary commitments, or unproductive thoughts. We become more resilient, more focused, and more at peace. Essentialism helps us put these Stoic principles into practice, creating a life that's not only simpler but also richer in meaning and fulfillment. Through Stoicism and Essentialism, we can achieve a life of greater simplicity, clarity, and purpose. We learn to value quality over quantity, to focus on what we can control, and to let go of the rest. And in doing so, we create space for what truly matters, a life lived with intention, wisdom, and joy. Now that we've explored the philosophy behind essentialism, let's dive into practical steps you can take to embrace it in your life. The journey to essentialism begins with a single question: what is essential? This question guides every decision, every choice, and every action you take. It's about identifying your core values and aligning your life with them. Start by taking time to reflect on your values and priorities. What brings you the most joy and fulfillment? What activities, relationships, or goals align with your deepest values? These are the things that should take precedence in your life. Once you've identified what's essential, the next step is to eliminate the non-essential. Decluttering is a powerful way to start the process of essentialism. But remember, it's not just about getting rid of things. It's about making room for what truly matters. As you go through your belongings, ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? Does it align with my values? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. By simplifying your physical space, you create a more peaceful and focused environment that supports your essential priorities. But essentialism isn't just about physical decluttering. It's about decluttering your time and commitments as well. Are there tasks, projects, or obligations that don't align with your priorities? If so, consider delegating, postponing, or eliminating them altogether. Essentialism is about saying no to the things that don't matter, so you can say yes to the things that do. Time is one of our most precious resources, yet it's often squandered on non-essential activities. Essentialism teaches us to be more intentional with our time, to focus on fewer tasks but with greater impact. This might mean cutting back on meetings, reducing time spent on social media, or prioritizing deep work over busy work. By focusing on what truly matters, you can achieve more with less effort. Another key aspect of essentialism is setting boundaries. This can be challenging, especially if you're used to saying yes to every request. But by protecting your time and energy, you can focus on what truly matters and make a more significant impact. Remember, every time you say yes to something non-essential, you're saying no to something essential. Learning to say no is a powerful skill that can help you stay focused and aligned with your values. Essentialism also involves designing your life in a way that supports your essential priorities. This means creating routines and systems that help you stay focused and productive. Whether it's a morning routine that sets a positive tone for the day, a dedicated time for focused work, or regular moments of reflection and gratitude, these habits help you stay aligned with your values and goals. By embracing essentialism, you'll find that your life becomes more aligned, more intentional, and more fulfilling. You'll experience less stress, greater clarity, and a deeper sense of purpose. And as we'll see, these benefits extend to every area of your life, from your work and relationships to your health and personal growth. Living with less, as essentialism encourages, comes with a host of benefits that extend far beyond a decluttered home. One of the most significant benefits is greater mental clarity. When you're not overwhelmed by too many choices or distractions, you can think more clearly and make better decisions. Your mind, like your space, becomes uncluttered, allowing you to focus on what's truly important. Essentialism also leads to reduced stress. When you focus on fewer things, you're not constantly juggling multiple tasks or commitments. This simplicity reduces the mental load, leading to greater peace of mind and emotional well-being. By eliminating the non-essential, you free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. Whether that's spending time with loved ones, pursuing a passion, or simply enjoying life's simple pleasures. Another key benefit is increased productivity and success. When you focus on what's essential, you can give your best effort to the things that matter most. This not only leads to better outcomes, but also a deeper sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. In the long run, essentialism helps you create a life that's not just less cluttered, but also more meaningful and rewarding. Essentialism also fosters a deeper connection to your values and purpose. When you strip away the non-essential, you're left with what truly matters: your core values, your passions, and your purpose. This connection brings a sense of fulfillment and meaning to your life that can't be achieved through the pursuit of more. By living with less, you gain more clarity, more joy, and more peace. In a world that constantly pushes us to do more and have more, essentialism offers a powerful alternative: the pursuit of less but better. By focusing on the essentials, you create a life that's not only simpler but richer in meaning and joy. The benefits of living with less extend to every area of your life, from your mental and emotional well-being to your relationships, career, and personal growth. Through essentialism, you'll find that living with less doesn't mean sacrificing. Instead, it means gaining more of what truly matters: more time, more peace, more fulfillment. It's a way of living that's aligned with your values, focused on your purpose, and grounded in what truly matters. And as you continue on this journey, you'll discover that the power of less can truly transform your life. Essentialism is more than just a strategy for living. It's a mindset, a way of approaching life with intention and purpose. By focusing on what truly matters and eliminating the rest, you can create a life that's not only simpler but richer in meaning and fulfillment. But this journey doesn't happen overnight. It requires ongoing reflection, deliberate choices, and the courage to say no to the non-essential. Remember, the path to essentialism begins with a single step: asking yourself, what is essential? From there, you can begin to simplify your life, focusing on the things that truly matter. Whether it's your work, your relationships, or your personal growth, essentialism helps you live with greater clarity, purpose, and peace. As you continue on this journey, I encourage you to embrace the principles of Stoicism and simple living. Focus on what you can control, let go of what you can't, and live in alignment with your values. By doing so, you'll create a life that's not only less cluttered but also more intentional, fulfilling, and meaningful. Thank you for joining us on this journey into essentialism. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from the principles of essentialism. Together, we can build a community of individuals committed to living with purpose and intention. Remember, the power of less is within your reach. Start today and discover the transformative impact it can have on your life.